In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch between your keyboard languages on your MacBook. So you're going to have to go to here and System Settings, and here we're going to have to go to Keyboard, and here on the keyboard we have to click on Text Input, and here Input Sources, so click on Edit. And here we have to add the input sources, right? If you only have one, you won't be able to switch, because obviously there's only one language. So add another one. You can even add 3, 4, as many as you want. And then here you should see this option. If you can't see this option here to switch between your languages, then that's because here in Edit you haven't checked this button here. So just check this, and then if you check this, now show input menu in menu bar, then you can check from here. Now I don't use that much, just English, but yeah. So yeah, if you have only one language, you don't see that option there because it's only one language. If you have questions, additional questions about MacBook, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to create for you a short tutorial so I can explain, I can help you, so you can have a really enjoyable experience, a pleasant experience on your MacBook.